Welcome to the world of fresh coffee roasting with the KCup machine. For years, K-Cups have become an extremely popular, quick way to grab a cup or two of coffee, whether it be at work or at home while you're on the run. And yet, fresh coffee roasters have not been able to utilize this as one of their avenues for revenue because the major corporation held the patent. Well, in 2014 that patent ended, and it opened the door for small companies that roast fresh coffee to start making K-Cups without having to contract it with the company and produce 50,000 K-Cups at a time. And so we have a variety of machines. We're going to show you today our initial machine. It's the manual. You'll get it in a box like this. You'll take it out of the box. I'll show you the setup real quick. Very simple. Just two parts. You've got a handle and you've got the unit itself, which actually weighs about 30-some pounds. It's quite a nice piece of equipment, heavy-duty stainless steel. And we're going to plug it in, we're going to set it up, we're going to show you how simple it is to operate and how fast it can be once you get in the swing of things. And this is the manual machine. We have a semi-automatic 4-cup, then we go up to a bigger size 6-cup, and we go all the way up to a 12-cup semi-automatic size. So if you want to get into production but you don't want to get into a giant machine that costs you $15,000, $20,000, but you still want to produce, you know, 1,000 or a few thousand K-Cups a day for your coffee shop or to sell retail in stores or to sell over the internet, this is a great little machine to use. It's the Buckeye KCup machine. So we're going to show you how it sets up. Real simple. You got the one part. Most of your machines, when you order our kit that comes with 1,000 K-Cups, the lids are going to be tucked down in here. So just pull those out. Pull off all your plastic. You got a nice little instruction manual that, although it's a pretty simple process, that explains everything for you real quickly. And these will have been tested before you got them, but obviously it's good to test everything when you first get it after it's been transported. Most of our shipping of the K-Cup is going to be done through carriers such as UPS, FedEx, and we can generally deliver the manual unit in within about a week or two after you place your initial order. The bigger sizes have to be special ordered. It can take a little longer, maybe a month to 40 days. So you just screw the lid right in, the handle right in, and you plug it in, power it up, and then you test it. And we're going to do that right now. Turn on the on switch and your K-Cup machine starts up. Give it a little bit of time to warm up. You'll see that there's a tray here. When you first get it, there's some little ties that are on it to keep all things in order. Just snip those off and you're about ready to go. Okay, when you first turn the machine on, let it warm up. You can see that it's heating up. It's very easy to set the controls. You get nice instructions with it, but it's very easy to set. You don't really need to set it as it's already set up, but if you want to adjust the temperature, you can do that as described in the manual. Very simple 2-page manual. And as you can see, the tray slides out. You've got your little sample ones already in here that were put in for the initial test after it was manufactured. We're going to show you how to quickly make real K-Cups. And K-Cups consist of 3 parts other than the coffee. It consists of a plastic cup, the filter, a nice filter here that goes right into the cup, and then a lid that goes on top. So we're going to fill up some of these with coffee, and you'll notice on our website as well as on our flyer, we sell a filler. We also will soon be selling a tray that quickly, you can hand fill 25 K-Cups in about 10 or 20 seconds and be ready to start sealing. And so I'm going to show you in just a moment how we seal. Very simple process. So you've got your K-Cups filled. You've either filled them manually or using our 25 stainless steel tray or our little automatic filler, which measures the pre-measured amount. People measure between about 9 and 12 grams of coffee. Then you just set your little lids down here, right in between all the studs that keeps it right in the right place. And of course you're developing a process of doing this much faster without me talking away. Push the tray in, you push completely down on the latch, watch this little button right here, this is the timer, and you'll see when the little up light comes on, it's ready to go. Lift up on the latch, and these are all sealed and ready to go into a Keurig K-Cup machine for brewing. Repeat process, and you can get into a routine where you can produce several hundred per hour, and it's a nice add-on profit to your business. This machine will pay itself off in no time. If you want the semi-automatic one, you just push a button, the tray automatically retracts, and then it seals and then shoots them right back out. And we offer the semi-automatic in sizes from 4 cup all the way up to 12 cups. So if you're really moving out some product, a 112 cup machine will produce lots of K-Cups per hour. So look at our website, download the flyer, you'll get all kinds of information. And we hope this helps you, and we hope that you can get in on this part of the ground level of K-Cup, fresh K-Cup, really the first fresh K-Cup coffee in the country, because you can literally produce these K-Cups the day you roast the coffee. It can be in the customer's hand within the next day, and they're enjoying coffee for the first time at the peak of its freshness in a K-Cup.